Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts using a machine. First, let's explore the fundamental principles of these incredible devices. Donut machines automate several steps, from batter dispensing to frying, ensuring consistent quality and speed. They are designed to simplify the process, allowing you to produce delicious donuts efficiently. We'll cover everything from basic operation to advanced features, helping you understand the mechanics behind perfect donut production. Let's delve into the key components that make these machines work. The batter is loaded into a hopper, which precisely dispenses it into the hot oil. A conveyor system then guides the donuts through the frying process, ensuring even cooking. Advanced models feature precise temperature controls, maintaining the oil at around 375 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect golden brown results. This automation ensures consistent size and texture for every single donut. When selecting a donut machine, you have several options. Manual machines are great for small-scale operations, offering hands-on control. Semi-automatic models provide a balance, automating some steps while allowing operator intervention for others. For high-volume production, fully automatic machines are ideal, capable of producing hundreds or even thousands of donuts per hour with minimal human oversight. Consider your production needs and budget when making your choice. The benefits of using a donut machine are numerous. They dramatically increase production speed, allowing you to meet high demand effortlessly. Consistency in size, shape, and cooking is also a major advantage, leading to a superior product every time. To keep your machine running smoothly, regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for daily and weekly cleaning to ensure longevity and food safety standards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.